Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to get Kodi Forks on your Fire TV device. So if you are looking for the best way to get multiple Kodi Forks on your Fire TV device, then this video is going to be the best video for you, because I'll show you step by step in this video what to do on your Fire TV device to install or download the best Kodi Forks on your device. So please make sure to watch the video carefully and right up to the end. And also, if you find the video interesting or helpful, please make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and share if you want more videos like this. That's it, let's get started. So this is my Fire TV device, and that's where I will be showing you how to get Kodi Forks. So please follow attentively. Now the very first step on my Fire TV device, the very first thing I need to do is to get the downloader application, because this is the application that we are going to use to access this page that has Kodi Forks on our Fire TV device. To get downloader is very simple. Come over to this find button and then in the search box type in downloader, or just type in D. You are going to get a suggestion for the downloader application. So here's the download application. What you need to do over here is to install the application to your Fire TV device. To do that is very easy. Go over to the option that says download and download the application. Now just give it a couple of seconds, let the application install to our Fire TV device. Download as an application is a third-party application that we can use to install third-party applications to our Fire TV device, and it's very important to Fire TV and Android TV for those of you who don't know about it. So the application has installed. The first thing, we are not launching the application yet, just return home. Now once you return home, there's something that you gotta do. You need to make sure that your Fire TV device is able to install applications from unknown sources. On default, every Fire TV device is set not to install applications from unknown sources, so you need to change that setting before you go ahead to this Kodi Forks, since you'll be needing to install the Kodi Forks and you'll be doing that from unknown sources. So to make sure that our device can install applications from unknown sources, what we need to do is to go over to these settings over here and go over to the setting that says my Fire TV and click on it. Now once you are here, you see this second option, developer options. This is what we're interested in. But if this is your first time, you wouldn't see this option here. It will still be disappeared. So let me show you how to make this option to appear or to be available. Go over to the option that says about and you click on it. In the about section, you are going to see the name of your Fire TV device. Mine is Fire TV Stick 4K. What you need to do is, on the name of your Fire TV device, click the OK button on your remote control like 5 times until you see a pop-up that says no need, you are already a developer. Once you see that pop-up, then the developer option has been turned on, and you are one step to turning on the feature that to install applications from unknown sources. So once it's turned on, return home and then come over to the developer options, and on the second option, the one that says apps from unknown sources, that is what we are interested in. What you need to do here is to make sure that this option is on, like it is on. Mine is currently on because I turned that on. So if yours is not on, please make sure it is on. Once it is on, then your Fire TV device will be able to install applications from unknown sources. So that's it, let's return home. We've done 2 important steps. We've installed downloader and we've turned on developer options. What we need to do now is to go over to the page where we can install the Kodi Forks. So what you need to do is to launch downloader. This is how downloader is going to look for the very first time on my Fire TV device. So I'll just allow this and then I'll come over here. Now here I need to type in a code that's going to bring us to the page that we'll be able to install the Kodi Forks from. So it's a simple 5-digit code. Just type in this code 47120. So please, here is the code 47120. You can write the code down on a piece of paper, or you can screenshot this so you don't forget the code, because if you make a mistake in the code, you are not going to go to the same place I'm about to. So as you type in the code, just go ahead and launch. It's going to bring you to a page called GM Kodi. So GM Kodi is a link tree or a combination of links to Kodi Forks. As you can see, here's it over here. The title literally says nothing but Kodi Forks here. That means that you're going to see multiple Kodi Forks here. I don't know how many in total are there, but there are a couple of them. And if you're looking for whatever option of Kodi Forks, you can take out your time to install any of them here. As you can see, there are a couple of them, different versions, and I believe you are going to find a version that is compatible with your Fire TV device. Now, this doesn't just work on Fire TV device, but also this can work on Android TV devices or Google TV devices if you have any of these. So here are they. Now the next question is, how do you install any from here? There are a couple of them. So how do you install any? So what you need to do is choose the one you want. So for instance, if I browse through over here and I want to install a particular one, I actually don't have an idea on which one to install. So let's say for instance, I want to install this Kodi official release version 19.4 32-bit. We'll just go here and click on it. Now you see there are two options. There's 64-bit and there's 32-bit. This depends on your device. You need to know which device is yours, if your device is a 32-bit or a 64-bit. But if you're not sure about it, then install the 32-bit, because the 32-bit is going to work on a 64-bit device. Anyway, that's some engineering stuff. Anyway, so if I want to install this Kodi official release version 19.4, all I need to do is to click on the once, and then it is going to start downloading to my Fire TV device. Alright, so the downloading is going to take a couple of seconds. That's the other part. But I just want to recommend, please, while doing this on your Fire TV device, I'll recommend you using a VPN, because as a creator, I cannot guarantee you about your safety on the internet, because there are a lot of phishers and people on the internet who are ready to steal your information. A VPN can help you block out or get you out of this kind of site that will be trying to steal your information. So please make sure you are using a VPN. And as usual, in the description of this video, I've added a recommendation of a VPN you can try out. It's currently Black Friday period, and I'm sure you're going to find a discount in this VPN that is going to suit you. So please check it out, subscribe, and please use a VPN on your device. I cannot overemphasize the importance of using a VPN. Nevertheless, here's the Kodi. It has already downloaded. Once it's done downloading, we can then install it to our Fire TV device. So once it's done downloading, let's go here, click install, and it's going to be installed to our Fire TV device. It is as simple as that. As you can see, there are multiple Kodi Forks over here that you can install. So once you're done, you can just delete it from your Fire TV device, you save space. You can choose any other one that you want to install, but this is how to download and install any of them to your Fire TV device. If you find the video helpful, please do us a favor, like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.